Good day everyone! Today we'll be presenting about our topic. In this video, you will learn important information that will help you better understand the online safety and security. I hope you enjoy and learn something new. Before we start, we would like to introduce ourselves. I am Cyril G. Rinasha.
And I am Aaron K. Nkari.
Let's proceed to our learning objectives. First, determine and avoid the dangers of the internet. Second, consider one's and others' safety and reputation when sharing information using the internet. Third, uphold the responsible usage of social networking sites and browse the internet efficiently and properly through proper referencing. Many people use the internet or online platforms, but do they protect their information that should not be shared with others? Now, we will know, but first, what is online safety and security? Online safety and security involves protect your personal information, devices, and accounts from cyber threats like phishing, malware, and identity theft. Later, we will know the different cyber threats. Let's focus to the important. Why is online safety and security important? Online safety and security are critical to protect personal data, finances, and devices from cyber threats like hacking, identity theft, and scams. They safeguard against digital dangers such as cyberbullying, malware, and inaccurate content, ensuring a secure, productive, and trustworthy digital experience for users of all ages.
These are the common type of online threats. Phishing. Phishing is deceptive emails or message designed to trick users into providing sensitive information like password or credit card numbers. Identity theft or impersonation. Identity theft using public information or stolen credentials to create fake profiles or access accounts, often on social media. Malware. Malware or malicious software designed to access, damage, or control systems, including viruses, worms, and trojans. Ransomware. Ransomware, a type of malware that encrypts files with attackers demanding payment to restore access. Adware. Adware, an intrusive software that displays unwanted advertisement and maybe track users' behavior. How to stay safe online? Secure your account. Utilize a password manager to create and store complex unique password. Turn on two-step verification or multi-factor authentication in all sensitive accounts. Update software. Enable automatic updates for operating system apps and browser to ensure you have the latest security patches. Browse safely. Only enter data on website with HTTPS and a padlock icon. Use ad blocker to protect against malicious ads. Protect data. Be cautious of phishing scams. Do not click on suspicious links or download untrusted attachment. Privacy settings. Regularly check and tighten privacy settings on social media and gaming platforms. Public Wi-Fi. Avoid accessing sensitive information like bank accounts over public Wi-Fi. With innovation and awareness, the internet can remain a space of creativity, trust, and connection. And that's the end of our lesson. I hope you learned something new today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you to the next lesson.